Good afternoon. Today is Tuesday, July 21st. I'm Jim Weatherup, Chairman of the Oswego County Legislature. Joining me today is Diane Oldenburg, Senior Public Health Educator for the Oswego County Health Department. I hope everyone had a nice weekend and that people are finding ways to stay cool during the recent heat waves. The beaches at our state parks are open, and both Sandy Island Beach and Selkirk Shores have had a lot of traffic over the past few weekends. Unfortunately, there are still some attractions that remain closed. I want to assure you that the Regional Control Room continues to advocate for our businesses. We're doing everything we can to control the spread of the coronavirus and to get things back to normal in the Central New York region. Last week, the governor ordered that businesses shall deny entry to customers not wearing a mask unless the customer has a medical condition or is younger than age 2. I want to emphasize that it is not the business owner's choice to allow customers without masks. Businesses must turn away customers who refuse to wear their masks. There is a process for filing complaints, and penalties will be enforced for businesses that continue to violate the governor's orders. There's detailed information about the requirements and how to file complaints for non-compliance on the state website at coronavirus.health.New York. We continue to make progress in our fight against coronavirus. More than 2,100 tests were administered over the past week, and while we continue to see new cases almost every day, to date, 224 of the 233 people who tested positive here have recovered from the virus. Diane will now share more information in today's report.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. As Chairman Weatherup mentioned, there were 2,107 COVID tests administered in the county between July 14th and July 20th. We are still vulnerable to community spread, and anyone who has symptoms for COVID-19 should arrange to be tested. It is vitally important. If you have questions, please call your healthcare provider or the health department's hotline at 315-349-3330. Walk-in testing is available at WellNow Urgent Care Clinic in Oswego. Testing is also available at Pulaski Urgent Care by appointment and Oswego Hospital when ordered by a physician. The time it takes for you to get your results varies based on the lab your test is sent to. While the health department does receive test results on county residents, we have no control over how quickly those results are reported by the lab. The health department continues to investigate all positive cases, identify and notify close contacts of positive cases as well. The department follows up daily with positive patients while they are in isolation. Close contacts that are not positive for COVID-19 are followed by the New York State Contact Tracing Program during their quarantine period. Investigation, isolation, and quarantine procedures used by the health department are developed following New York State Department of Health guidance. For today's report, we have a total of 22,483 tests that have been performed. Total positive cases are 233. We currently have 5 active positive cases, and 224 residents have recovered. Deaths related to COVID are 4. Total negative test results received are 22,062. The total quarantine or isolation is 51. Thanks.
Thank you, Diane. I have a few announcements before I close today. I don't think I need to remind people that it is also mosquito season here in Oswego County. This means that in addition to protecting ourselves against the spread of COVID-19, we need to be careful about exposing ourselves to mosquitoes that could carry EEE or the West Nile virus and ticks that can carry Lyme disease. The Office for the Aging will hold a drive-through distribution for seniors to receive farmers market coupons tomorrow, July 22nd, at the Pulaski Middle School. Coupon books will be distributed from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. Seniors must be age 60 or over and meet income criteria. There is more information about this on the county website and in the local newspapers. The County Health Department will hold its next rabies clinic next Wednesday, July 29th at the County Highway Garage on Centerville Road in Pulaski. This clinic is by appointment only. Call the Health Department weekdays at 315-349-3557 to make an appointment. People bringing their pets to the clinics need to wear a face mask and practice social distancing by staying 6 feet away from others whenever possible. Please continue to do your part to help stop the spread of COVID-19. This has been a long, hard stretch for all of us. Do what needs to be done and follow the rules. It will not only protect you, but all of those around you, including friends who are struggling to keep their businesses open and members of our communities employed. Thank you, as always, for your cooperation. It is making a difference.